Morning glories have beautiful trumpet-shaped balloons, lasting only for the morning though. They are much loved by hummingbirds. Morning glories are tender annuals but readily reseed themselves. Because they do, they can quickly become a nuisance, seeding themselves everywhere. An annual flower is one that only lives for 1 year, but they usually have longer bloom periods. A tender plant is one which cannot survive freezing temperatures. Morning glories are sold as seeds. Make sure that the seeds come from a reputable source, as there are similar plants such as Convolvulus that are hardy and can send out roots everywhere, and they're really hard to get rid of. Convolvulus has smaller flowers and thinner stems. The flowers are kind of a light lavender or white. They can grow, morning glories can grow to 10 feet in one summer. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep after all danger of frost has passed, near a trellis or some area where the vines can cling. Like most garden plants, they enjoy moist, well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. And they should have at least 6 hours or more of sun per day. Morning glories are toxic to people and pets.